There are many different types of construction, but from large to small, from civil to commercial, to process and energy, they all share one thing in common. They are executed in the field on the job site. But there is a big problem in construction. According to CII, over 25 cents of every dollar spent is wasted in the field. One of the reasons for this inefficiency is that despite the fact that 75% of all construction dollars are spent in the field, technology is not being applied there. In fact, 90% of technology spend is in the office or trailer. Construction technology is built for the trailer or the office. It needs to be built for the field, where the work is done and the money is spent. This is where Autodesk BIM 360 Field comes in. Our field management software utilizes advances in mobile tablet technologies like the iPad and in online collaboration and reporting to revolutionize the way construction is done and managed in the field. Autodesk BIM 360 Field enables programs for quality, safety, commissioning, and bringing documents to the field, including building information models. Here's how. Project teams and managers can create field management programs in the Autodesk BIM 360 Field website, accessible from any computer with access to the Internet. It contains one place where all quality, safety, commissioning, punch listing, and other field issues are gathered and managed by area, responsible company, or any other way you like. You can manage your construction issues as well as checklists and build checklist libraries for reuse across projects. You can use the library feature to manage documents of any type, including building information models, and distribute them to project users in the office and in the field. Now let's go to the field, where the work gets done. You can then execute your programs in the field with Autodesk BIM 360 Field mobile application. Use the Mobile App Library feature to get field access and markup of plans and documents on the iPad. Also use the iPad app to execute your field quality, safety, and other programs. Even conduct punch lists. With Autodesk Field Management Solutions, you can even view models on the job site. You may or may not have cellular or other internet access on the job site. It doesn't matter. Autodesk BIM 360 Field works with or without it. In addition to iPads, Autodesk BIM 360 Field enables anyone with a BlackBerry or other email-compatible device to take pictures and email them into the website, so that quality, safety, and any other to-do list items go into the master list on the website, where they are accessible to all job site participants. Then, measure the progress of your project and your company programs using the Autodesk BIM 360 Field Reports and Dashboards. First, the Autodesk BIM 360 Field Reports take field information and instantly distribute it to others at the project for operations activities, like the tasking of issues or observations at the project level. Second, the reports and dashboards help management identify trends and measure performance of quality and safety programs across projects, trades, and teams. The results speak for themselves. Our customers see measurable benefits in risk management, accelerated project schedules, and information for handover and operations. See our case studies, webinars, and videos for more. Autodesk's mission is to revolutionize the construction industry. As you can see from our customer list here, the revolution has already begun for many leading contractors, owners, architects, and engineers around the world. Join the revolution in field management for construction. Get started with Autodesk BIM 360 Field today for your project or company.